It's me, Shrevshidas, and here's my performance on the song Srijana Chande, a song associated with Qazi Nazrul Islam and renowned Bengali poet and musician. The song's lyrics seems to be a celebration of creation and joy, with Nataraja being a central figure. Srijana Chande Anande Nacho Nataraja is translated as dance to the joy of creation. The dance associated with the song Srijana Chande is likely inspired by the Hindu mythological figure Nataraj, the dancing form of Lord Shiva. The Nataraj dance here is symbolic of the cosmic cycle of creation and destruction. The style depicted here is Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is a beautiful dance form often used to depict mythological themes, emotions and stories. It is known for its nritta, that is pure dance movements, nritya, that is expressive dance, conveying emotions, mudras, that is symbolic and hand gestures, and abhinaya, that is facial expressions and body language. Some main features in my performances. Pranam. Marking the beginning of the performance, it's a gesture of respect and gratitude towards the divine, teachers and audience. It is a way to seek blessings from the divine and elders. Pranam is believed to be purity of mind, body and soul, preparing the dancer for the performance. It also showcases the dancer's dedication and devotion to their art. Secondly, the dancing form of Shiva, depicted in the Ananda Tandava pose, symbolizing the cosmic dance of creation and destruction. The main mudras used in my performances. Alapadma, depicting flowers, symbolic of spiritual growth and enlightenment. Kartari Mukham, depicting Shiva's tangled hair, music, and instruments like flute. Chandra, depicting the moon in Shiva's head. Pataka, depicting Parvati, water flow, and Tandava, musical instruments like veena, mridanga, etc. That's all for my video today. Thank you and hope you liked it. Have a great